so cute. Oh, Lacey. She's like, I want my eyes covered. Hey, Michelle.
Hi.
What you doing?
Oh, nothing. Muffin. You got a problem?
Michelle has been messing with this toilet and saying things like, oh gosh darn it, for the last 10 minutes.
I have not.
It's true. It's true. She's sleeping.
Actually, you cannot claim my wife. Hi, wife. We have to go to bed. When are we gonna put this tree down? Like I'm talking about a pet. When are we putting Lassie down? How long do you want to keep it up?
Maybe leave it up for when Crystal and Jonathan come over.
What did you say? What did you say?
Maybe leave it up for when Crystal and Jonathan come over.
Oh, okay. Cool. Lacey, come on. Did you already go outside? We went outside. I just got back from work. Jordan, what are you watching? Is it Lights?
Yeah.
Oh. I recognized her by her hair. Like I could even like see her face. I just saw her hair. I was like, is that Lights?
Her hair needs cut. It looks nasty.
Yeah, it's like super long. She has like tattoos and stuff, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys ever heard of Lights? She mostly does like, well, she usually did like acoustic stuff, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, I won't play.
Buffering! Are you connected to our Wi-Fi?
What?
You connected to our Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
You are? Really? Huh.
No soup for you.
No soup for you! My Wi-Fi name is No Soup for You. Do you guys know where that's from? I'll give you 3 hints. Jerry, Kramer, and George. Now, if you guys don't know what that's from, I am not speaking to you ever again. Ever. Figured out yet? You know, I'm not even going to tell you. I'm going to leave you to decide in the comments. Decide.
If you think the Broccoli Bunch rocks, click that
Here.
subscription box.
Click.
Subscribe! Fine, I will.
Click.
Click, 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 click.